Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can trim your videos in Davinci Resolve 18. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I have entered a new video into my project. This is just a stock video of horses running or galloping, and as you can see, I am in the cut tab, which is the second from the left once you enter the program. Once you're here, what you can do to actually trim the video firstly is, if you want to trim it from the sides, you can just hold down the edges and this icon should appear instead of your cursor. Just click on that and then you can just trim them like such from the beginning, and you can do the same thing from the very end as well, like so. Whoops, for some reason it doesn't want to, like so. This is the icon that has to appear, this sort of, I don't know how to call it, right facing arrow, call it whatever you want, with sort of a barrier. And pretty much the same thing needs to happen with the left side as well. And that is pretty much how you trim your videos. Now you can also go into the edit page and you can cut it from there. However, you have to zoom in a bit if you want to have the greatest possible, well, size so that you can adequately and precisely cut. You can then press on this sort of razor blade icon and then cut it in several places if you want to. However, there is a much easier way. You can go back to the cut page, and here you can select with the cursor exactly where you want to cut. Just place it where you want it and then just click the scissors, or just click S or Control S. Whoops, no. Alright, it looks like I confused myself with something else. Just click the scissors and it'll cut it in exactly that place where the cursor is, and you can cut out your parts of the video that you don't want, and you can delete the spaces as well. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.